Today, I'm going to teach you how to change text case in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with datasets that have inconsistent capitalization or when you need to format text entries to match a specific style across your spreadsheet. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your workspace. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to change the text case. This will open up your Google Sheet and you'll see all your data laid out in rows and columns. Now I'm going to show you 3 different methods for changing text case, and you can choose whichever one best fits your needs. The first method uses the upper function, which converts all text to uppercase letters. Click on an empty cell where you want the converted text to appear. In that cell, type equals upper open parenthesis. After typing that, click on the cell that contains the text you want to convert. This will automatically reference that cell in your formula. Now close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. Your text will instantly appear in all uppercase letters. Here's a handy tip: if you need to apply this to multiple cells, look for the small blue circle at the bottom right corner of the cell with your formula. Click and drag that circle downward to copy the formula to other cells below it. The second method is the lower function, which converts everything to lowercase. Click on another empty cell and type equals lower open parenthesis. Click the cell containing the text you want to convert, then close it with a closing parenthesis and press Enter. Just like before, you can drag the small blue circle at the bottom of the cell down to apply this formula to additional rows. The third option uses the proper function, which capitalizes the first letter of each word while making all other letters lowercase. This is perfect for formatting names or titles properly. Click on an empty cell and type equals proper open parenthesis. Click the cell that contains your text data, close it with a closing parenthesis, and hit Enter. Again, you can drag the small blue circle downward to apply this formatting to multiple cells at once. And that's it. You now have 3 simple yet powerful ways to change text case in Google Sheets, giving you complete control over how your data appears. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.